think I will die.
I made a video a few days ago on how to get mods on FR Legends, and it only works on Android. So this time I'm gonna show you guys how to get mods on FR Legends, but this time it's for iOS only. What you're gonna do is open Chrome, and you're gonna press on this website. What are you gonna do is press on the download, press X first, and then press on download. Press keep, and then OK. After that, this is done, you're gonna press on the APK file and then press install. After that, open. Escape. Press on mod, and then now you're gonna write FR Legends. Press on this one because this is the newest version. There will be a button right here that will say get, because I already have the modded version already. It says open. After you press on get, you should be good to go, and this is how much money you will have.